Hi, this is Manigandan from Queen India. In our previous part 1 video, we have got so many ideas about getting job opportunities in core fields like power plant sites, oil and gas construction sites, automobile industries, and aerospace industries. Finally, we concluded that we came across from various departments, but the common subject we studied is welding department. Now in this video, the common applications of welding in all previous mentioned sites and industries. The first and foremost application is piping. As we all know very well, the piping is normally used to transfer the fluids from one location to another location. The fabrication cannot be completed without pipe fittings like elbow, T, flanges, end caps, etc. The pipe spool fabrication consists of several steps like cutting, beveling, cleaning, welding, NDT, hydro test, and the final step is painting. The second common application is storage tanks. The storage tanks or containers, it stores the liquids with atmospheric pressure. Various types of storage tanks are available, namely above ground storage tanks, underground storage tanks, and tankers. The above ground storage tanks are used to store oil, petroleum products, chemical, water, etc. The most of the above ground storage tanks look like flat bottom. The wall is perpendicular to ground with fixed roof or floating roof. The underground storage tanks are mostly used as water reservoir or wastewater storage. In case of tankers, the cylindrical storage tanks are mounted in the truck and it is used to transport the liquids like milk, chemical, petroleum products, etc. In case of tankers, we may notice that the horizontal cylindrical tank with hemispherical ends. At the time of transportation, the storage tanks will undergo varying degrees of pressure. In this case, the hemispherical ends are very useful to withstand this type of pressure. In storage tank fabrication consists of several steps like cutting, plate bending, beveling, cleaning, welding, NDT, hydro test, and the final step is painting. The third common application is boiler or pressure vessel. The boilers or pressure vessels are closed containers and these hold the fluids like liquids, gas, or steam at pressure. The pressure value is more than 15 psi. This pressure is a gauge pressure. Okay. The fabrication of pressure vessel involves complicated fabrication processes. It concentrates all safety related issues to avoid boiler explosions in futures. The quality of the weld joint will be very good. The pressure vessel fabrication consists of several steps like cutting, plate bending, beveling, cleaning, welding, NDT, hydro test, and the final step is painting. In fabrication process, for each welding process, the layer by layer cleaning and non-destructive inspection have to be carried out. After completion of all those processes, the welding joint will be undergoing ultrasonic inspection and radiographic inspection. By carrying out these inspections, the volumetric and linear defects will be identified. If the defect-free joints are found, then the next important step is hydro test to ensure the leak-free joints at the pressurized condition. Finally, the pressure vessel will be handed over for further processes. The last common application is foundry castings. In foundry, the welding on casting is used to repair the casting defects. At the time of non-destructive inspection of casting, if the defects like holes, porosity, cracks found, then those defects will be repaired by using repair welding. After completion of all those repair welding, the necessary non-destructive inspection will be done to assure the defect-free castings. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Queen India. Thanks for your support.